is life.
Friendship is a transactional situation.
Is the key in? There's no key.
Now, you don't want to think of it that way, but I'm sorry, it's just true. It's always true. Your friends are people for whom you provide a value, and they provide a value back.
On the horizon.
It's only a friendship if you both know what you're getting and you're both delivering it.
That light, turn that light back on. Huh?
For example, you might be valuable because you're funny.
Alright, they need a little pullback.
And people say, I love being around a funny
A little
person.
more. A little more. A little more. You could ride it from the back seat.
You might be valuable because you're an empath. And people say, man, when I have a problem, I sure like talking to X.
The bike, so you can see the bars compared to a Sportster. Yeah,
You might be valuable because you're an organizer. You're the person who brings everybody together.
Alright, yeah.
But make sure you have a value. If you're not offering a thing of value, why would anybody be your friend? Seriously. Why would they be your friend?
Like a skateboard.
I think it's harder to balance on than I thought it would.
It's not because your inner you, your soul is so good. Forget about that. Nobody can see your soul. Nobody can see your inner thoughts. People can see what you do. So do something valuable for the people you would like to be friends with. People can see what you do. People can see what you do. So do something valuable.